Food delivery isn't just about fast routes. It's about keeping food safe and arriving on time. When you're handling hot meals, frozen items, and strict event deadlines, every minute matters. Here's how to plan temperature-sensitive delivery routes that work. Food delivery routing faces unique challenges that standard parcel delivery doesn't. First, time sensitivity. Food quality degrades fast. Hot foods cool down, cold foods warm up. Delays don't just mean late delivery, they mean ruined meals. Second, food safety compliance. HACCP requirements, temperature logs, proper documentation. One violation can cost you fines and loss of license. Third, strict time windows. Catering events start at specific times. Wedding at 6 p.m. means you need to arrive by 5:30. Order accuracy is critical. Wrong items mean health risks and customer complaints. Packaging requirements add complexity. You need proper coolers and insulated bags rated for your route duration. And finally, traffic unpredictability. Rush hour can destroy food quality in minutes. To handle these challenges, your routing solution needs specific capabilities. Time windows let you ensure deliveries happen within customer-specified timeframes. Priority stops let you sequence routes strategically, hot food first, frozen last, or vice versa. Service time accounting means factoring in elevator time, parking, and customer handoff. Temperature zone support lets you separate hot and cold routes if needed. Real-time ETA updates text customers when drivers are 10 minutes away, reducing missed deliveries. Proof of delivery captures photos, signatures, and delivery notes for compliance. Live tracking lets you monitor driver progress and intervene if delays happen. And route re-optimization lets you add last-minute orders without breaking existing routes. Beyond features, follow these proven best practices. 1. Zone your deliveries by geography to minimize total route time. Fewer miles means fresher food. 2. Sequence stops by temperature requirements. Think about the order strategically. 3. Build in buffer time. 10 to 15% slack for traffic and parking. This prevents rushing. 4. Use proper insulated packaging rated for your delivery duration. 5. Set maximum route durations. For example, no hot food route should exceed 90 minutes. 6. Consider Bluetooth temperature sensors in bags for proof of compliance. 7. Communicate with customers. Send ETAs and driver 10 minutes away texts. 8. Have backup plans. Identify drivers who can handle overflow on high-demand days. Let's look at a real example. Riviera Caterers. They had 5 drivers managing 20 to 30 deliveries per day. The challenge? Events start at specific times. A wedding at 6 p.m. means you must arrive by 5:30. Missing the deadline means the catering company loses business and the customer loses their event. Riviera's problem was no optimization for event-based time windows. Routes were planned ad hoc, causing missed deadlines. The solution? Import orders with event start times as firm time windows. Optimize routes to arrive 30 minutes before the event starts. Prioritize by event time, earliest first. Build in 15% buffer for traffic and setup. The results? 100% on-time delivery. Driver satisfaction increased 45% because they weren't rushing. And repeat bookings increased 60% because customers knew deliveries would be perfect. Several software solutions handle food delivery routing. Here's what to look for. Upper Route Planner offers time windows, priority stops, temperature zones, real-time ETAs, and live tracking. It's affordable for small to medium food delivery operations. OnFleet excels at customer communication and real-time tracking. Good for delivery platforms. Circuit is simple and affordable, great for small food delivery startups getting started. WorkWave scales to enterprise level with advanced routing and custom workflows. Best for large food distributors. Here's your implementation checklist to get started. 1. Import all orders with delivery time windows. 2. Test with realistic service times, 3 to 5 minutes per stop. 3. Configure temperature zone priorities in your routing. 4. Set up customer ETA notifications. 5. Equip drivers with insulated bags and proper equipment. 6. Test routes before peak service hours. 7. Monitor on. Start planning better food delivery routes today. Upper Route Planner handles time windows, temperature zones, priority stops, and real-time tracking. All in one platform. Keep food safe and arrive on time, every time. Visit my.upperinks.com/sign up to try Upper free. No credit card required. Start routing in minutes.